back to Dixon Family. I'm here with Abigail and we're walking in the snow. We're walking on this like really hard ice and it's hard to walk in, but yeah, as you can see, I'll give you, I'm literally falling in, oh my gosh. So, hold on. Okay guys, so I just joined us. Yeah. And we're still walking away. So there was like this big lump of snow that was with us, and we found a sidewalk, so that's what we're walking on right now. What do you guys think about the snow?
It's like, I like it. I like it better than when it was snow.
My face looks so pale. Alright, I'll show you guys the path now. Well, this is the path we're walking on. As you can see, my shoes, they're so dirty with snow. There was like this big lump of snow that we couldn't walk by, so we found a path to walk on. You're recording your Abigail. Her shoes aren't that dirty because she has heels, but as you can see, we have encountered another problem.
Place it up.
There. Here we are. I almost fell. Let's keep going. Alright guys, he wants to show us one of his weird things that he likes to do.
His tricks.
So we're in the street right now. Okay, now we're not. Oh my god. So this is out. We're walking on brown snow. Weird, as you can see. Alright. Aya wants us to record one of his weird things. Aya walking.
Like painful.
And look at his thin sweater. He has.
Nothing's wrong with him.
And he's holding his shoe, as you can see. I'll show them your shoe.
Man.
Ew, don't do that. People step
Snow is not healthy, Isle. You can see his feet.
Hey, hold my arm. I hold my hand.
For some reason, he doesn't have socks on. Oh my gosh, my fingers are freezing.
There's going to be water in your shoes now. You're going to have to get them dry cleaned.
Alright, I'm not sure what I was planning to do, but let's record you guys. Here. That's what we're walking on.
It's hard to tackle on the walk of the ice. I think heels are the best thing to use. Unless you got like
heels. I also have heels.
Oh yeah, let's go to pizza place.
Wait, which pizza place?
So do you want to go? You want to go to pizza place?
Which pizza place?
It's like
Marinara?
No,
it's literally across from our school. We can walk there.
Your school's so far away.
Okay, let's walk.
Let's
go to pizza. Oh wait.
Isn't your school the other way?
No. Let's go home and grab some money.
What? See, now you guys aren't walking on the grass, huh?
What do you mean?
All the time, when we're walking to the high school, they're always walking on the grass. It's usually here, but now they're not walking on the grass anymore. Oh, look at that snowman! It's so cute. I'll stop.
Don't ruin
Stop,
it.
I'll.
No, take it, record it so like.
I'll leave it alone.
Wait.
What are you doing?
Oh yeah, we should take a thumbnail picture here.
Yeah, that's the thumb. I can do the thumbnail.
Okay, I'm gonna take you guys thumbnail.
Taking photos with
Io with the snowman. I took the camera and now I'm gonna record today. Gotta run. Today. It's hard to walk. Sorry guys.
Guys, it is freezing right now. I am freezing right now. My fingers, my legs. I'm not wearing long hair. I should have, but I don't.
Yeah. Hard to get a good angle.
No, what are you talking about?
The snow actually is blue. That is blue. Wow, that's actually blue. Oh, it's so snowy outside. It's so cool. And I decided to wear a tank top under my jacket. I'm gonna.
Right now.
Yeah, under your sweater. that thin sweater.
What's up? What's up? I got no shoes on.
Oh my god, that shark scared me.
We outside on a Thursday. We outside on a Thursday. We outside with a shovel. We outside in the rubble. We outside with the kids. Alright, go Smith. Oh, he's backing up. Hey, yo.
Evan, walk faster. My toes are freezing. What
Your
are you
toes
doing?
are freezing?
Yeah. You didn't see the ash from your leg?
Like it for me, I don't even got shoes on.
What?
Nah. Nah, I could take my shoes off if I wanted to. I got dig bag.
My school's a bit far, but my school is so far, and you want me to go to school? No, you're gonna walk backwards trying to look cool when you
Check
slip
over
in
there, reindeer. Coronavirus.
You know we should have a race in the snow.
Yeah, we should have a race. I would beat all you guys.
But you need a handicap because you can actually run. So you gotta take off your shoes. Today, me and I are gonna have a race.
Me and my sister are about to have a race. I'm about to dust her.
Dust me. Here. Should you stand here, me and I will walk over there.
Walk? Tor, that's definitely.
Yeah. No, we're gonna run back.
Where are we going to?
No, we're going up there. Wait, walk. We're gonna run back to her. Stay right there.
What?
We're gonna run to you. Whoever goes to that's a handicap. He can actually run, so that's
Oh guys, I'm freezing right now. I have to use the bathroom. My toes are freezing, my fingers, and my nose is running. Don't worry, I'm not like sick or anything. Alright, this is taking a long time. Alright, my fingers are freezing. You guys, let us know in the comments if you guys can see them. I can see them, but in the camera they look so tiny. Alright guys. Oh, there's snow literally coming on my face. Alright, let's face the camera. Hey guys, I'm freezing. If you can see my fingers, they're really cold. Ooh. Alright.
He slipped.
I slipped? Why? Do you have your shoe off again?
My shoes have no grip.
Your shoes have no grip? Okay.
Yeah, that's like this for you. In the snow.
Let me hold you real quick.
Hold me.
Oh, I'm so close. You can see Abigail's shoes and Aya's shoes. You can see all the snow in my face.
That's the one who wants to walk in no shoes.
My face is so red. There's a path. We're walking in a path right now, but as you can see the hair.
Yeah, we gotta make a path on that.
Oh my goodness. It's freezing. Like when I say freezing, I mean freezing. Let's keep going. We're almost home, guys. Almost home. Ah! Snow just...
Thank you guys so much for watching this video.
Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And turn on those post notifications.
And peace out.
Bye.